Okay guys, just wanted to get on and follow up with the papaya line. I know I said that I wanted to come back after I've used it a few more times to really give you my thoughts on it, and so this is that video. I will say that I have used the shampoo and I like the shampoo. I think it works really well. I think it cleanses well without stripping. I think it lathers really well. I don't care for the smell of the shampoo, but that is a personal preference. For me, I feel like the shampoo is a stronger papaya scent that I don't care for. But other than that, I think it's a good product and a good shampoo. I think you guys would enjoy the shampoo. The deep conditioner, I did use it like I normally do in the shower. I do feel like it spread better in the shower with the water. It did have some slip to it. I don't feel like it has the same slip as some of her other deep conditioners. Hold on. Sorry guys, real life over here, real life. I don't feel like it has the same slip as some of her other deep conditioners, but it definitely does have some slip for you to detangle with. I feel like it doesn't soak in as well as her other deep conditioners do. Even when I used heat and I took off my cap, I still had a little bit of white on top of my hair, which I don't normally get with her other deep conditioners. But you know, that doesn't mean that it doesn't work. I mean, a lot of deep conditioners leave something on top of your hair. I'm just not used to that much with her deep conditioners. And then when I rinsed it out, my hair did feel soft. My hair did feel soft, but it didn't feel as plump as it normally does with her other deep conditioners. It didn't have the silkiness that I get when I'm rinsing out the other conditioners and things like that. Although my hair didn't feel hard, it did feel like it was hydrated. You know, it did feel those things, but it just didn't have that touch, the feeling from the touch that I like to get. And I feel like it does leave a little something behind. It doesn't rinse all the way clean, in my opinion. So it's not one of my favorite deep conditioners from her line, but that's okay. I like 3 or 4 others, so you know, again, not everything is for everybody. Went in with the leave-in. The leave-in is thick, but it spreads out nicely. It did make the hair feel soft as well. Put it in and let it sit for a little bit, and then when I went to put in the twist out cream, my hair felt soft from the leave-in. Nothing sits on top, it soaks right in, so I do like the leave-in. And then I went in with the twist cream, and you guys know the twist cream has a little bit of a slick feeling too. It spreads out nicely. It's easy to use too much of it because you only need a little bit when you scoop it out and then you spread it out. It spreads really well, so it's easy to use too much of it. So I want to say that I do feel like the twist cream has a hold to it. So this here is one of my styles that I did, and I do feel like it has some hold to it. I actually did a flat twist out with this, and you can't hardly tell. This looks to me like it's a lot more shrunken than my flat twists normally are. So I do feel like that the twist cream and the leave-in kind of shrinks up the hair more than some other products do. It seems that way to me because this is really short. Normally when I do flat twists, I do it because it helps to elongate the hair a little bit. But this is it. I feel like my hair is more frizzy than normal, and I said that in the video that I took down after the live. And I think it's just because my hair is not as moisturized as it normally is. Now it feels soft and it does feel moisturized, but it has this feeling to it that lets you know it's not as moisturized as her other product. It's not as moisturizing as her other products are. I don't get this feeling that I get with these products with her other products. So I want to say that my hair looks healthy, but there's no sheen or shine to it, and I do feel like I get more shine with her other products as well. Now, some of these things, it may not say that it's supposed to do. It may not say it's supposed to add shine. It may not say it's supposed to, you know, make your hair feel, you know, silkier or whatever. I'm just saying what I'm used to with her products and what I'm getting with this one. So take that with a grain of salt. But the twist cream definitely has hold. I definitely think that you'll be able to get multiple days with it if you use it. So I think it does do what it says there as far as giving you hold and definition. It definitely gives you definition. I just don't feel like, I don't know if it's the twist cream that's not as moisturizing or the leave-in that's not as moisturizing that's giving me all of this frizz on the ends and somewhat in the middle. Now, y'all know I don't mind frizz, so it's not a big deal to me, but I'm just noticing it. And I don't normally get it without trying. Normally when I have frizz, it's because I've tried to give myself frizz to give myself volume. This time I didn't try to give myself frizz. It was just there. So there you go. So to sum it all up, for me, this would not be a staple. I probably would not repurchase this particular line, but I definitely still love Nature's Little Secret. If you want to try the products, I do have a discount code. I'll leave it on the screen as well as in the description box to save you a little money if you want to give it a try. So yeah, it's not a bad line. It's just not my favorite line from her. And I feel like for me, my climate, my hair, my density and everything, I would like a little bit more moisture in the line. And so yeah, those are my thoughts on the products. So very similar to what I said before. The only difference is the deep conditioner. I do think it works better on soaking wet hair in the shower when my cuticles are open. I felt like it spread better. I felt like I used less doing it that way. But I think all the other things I said before still ring true after I've used it again, which is not bad, just not my favorite. Her other products have a little bit more moisture. But this twist cream, I'm not gonna lie, it gives the definition now. It gives the definition. I would say that this twist cream probably gives more definition to my hair than the Irish Moss cream does, but the Irish Moss cream definitely is more softening and more moisturizing for me over a long period of time. So yeah, that's what, if you guys were wondering about that. So you got to decide, do you want more hold or do you want more moisture and things like that. Some people want more hold and, you know, we'll add moisture to the ends or re-moisturize during the middle of the week or whatever the case may be. Other people want more moisture, and if their hair, you know, doesn't hold as long and gets bigger, they're okay with that. So yeah, you weigh it. But anyway, guys, that's it. I'm not going to belabor this. I just wanted to come on and let you see my hair after another wash with it. You let me know what you think. I don't think my hair looks bad. I just noticed that it's more frizz in it and it's a little bit more shrunken up. So no, I have not cut my hair. It is just shrunken up. I didn't do any stretching of it or anything like that. So yeah. Anyway, that's it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.